EPLANT Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to place a reduction component. In our case, we choose a concentric reduction to be connected to a pipe end. Connection by the end 1 means by the main diameter. This message warns that selected connection point has a different diameter with respect to the line definition 1, and we now have to specify the secondary diameter. We continue to place another reduction, but this time will be connected by the secondary diameter, that is the end 2. And now we specify the main diameter.